Alibaba Lens, it is the newest, hottest tool if you're a business owner, especially a product-based business owner that is used to buying wholesale. If you're thinking about sourcing, if you're even thinking about getting your toes wet, you need to check out this tool. It's completely free. You can go grab it from my profile. It is a Chrome extension. It's going to allow you to, on anything, a video, a picture, a blog, click and get immediate results to what sort of prices that you could be paying by bypassing the wholesaler, by going directly to a factory, going directly to Alibaba.com. I'm an Alibaba.com ambassador, by the way, so I not only walk the walk with my own wholesale business, my private clients' businesses, but I'm actually know what I'm doing so much that Alibaba.com is trusting me to tell you about this. But anyway, I digress. I'm gonna show you in just a second how amazing this tool is by actually showing you how it's gonna be, you're gonna be able to use it on my computer right here. But if you are interested in learning more, I have a $1 masterclass happening April 3rd that you can go get into that is going to walk you through how to find vendors in Alibaba. If you're ready to see, hey, is this worth it? Am I into this? Go ahead and grab my PDF. My PDF is gonna walk you through all the steps. It's gonna come with support. It's gonna come with Q&As. You have 30 days access to me. It is a no-brainer. And if you are oh, I already know about sourcing, I'm already ready to just jump in. I want your scripts. I want your strategies. I want your negotiation tactics. I wanna know what you know. Then you need to go ahead and join DREAMM Academy. That's where all the magic happens. That's where I answer your questions one-on-one individually. It is fantastic. So this is what it looks like right up here. There's two ways that you're gonna utilize it. One, you're gonna click it and you can just hover over an item, click, and then it's gonna pop up over here on the right-hand side, all of the items that you immediately can go and check out, okay? So we have $4.99, we have $6.86, et cetera, et cetera. The other way you can use it is you're going to drag and basically take a screenshot. You don't do anything different. You're just gonna grab and click over, and it's gonna give you the exact same items, similar or duplicate over on the right-hand side. What is super, super cool about Alibaba Lens is actually that if there's a price involved, it's gonna search by price. Let me show you that. Now, instead of hovering over the item, which is gonna just pull up different items that are relevant or the similar, what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna drag and drop and include the price. You'll see that once I include the price, there's gonna be a little box over here that pops up that says, hey, view matches price lower than, this is selling for 36. So I'm gonna say, yeah, I wanna see items that are selling less than 36 because I'm not trying to pay for the same price. So this is fantastic. If you are searching on a wholesale website or something that you're already getting a discount on, you can still find items that are not being sold at retail very easily by the couple clicks of a button. I talked in another video about how profitable jewelry is. Look at this cute necklace right here. Okay, let's check that out. Exact same necklace, $1.25, $2.85. $3.30, 80 cents, $2.95. Let's see what this is currently selling for, shall we? $35, friends. Who wants to add jewelry to their business model?